Okay, Junior here wants to work on something important. So we're gonna work on a bike.
Yep.
So this is a 99 Sporty. It's been sitting for a little over a year since I worked on it last. So we're gonna clean it up some more. So, dumbass that worked on it a year ago, that resembles that dumbass there. Left out 2 ounces of fork oil on the left one. That'd be this one, right?
The non-brake side.
The left one.
Yeah, well, right if you're sitting on the bike.
Oh, I'm in front of the bike. So we got to pull this cap off, put some oil, 2 ounces of oil in here. So, we need to get our Allens here. Pull these off. These almost look like Torx there, but not quite. Is that metric?
No.
I could just use my Allen. Yes. Resembles this. Might even have a zip gun or two laying around too if you didn't look too close. Use the breaker bar. Where's our fender protector? No, it wasn't it. Where's the tripod?
Right over there.
Oh, I found it.
I guess we could use this.
Yeah, at least for about 2 seconds until I get the missing parts he didn't bring in yet. Okay, work away. One fender protector.
Oh, it was made for it.
There you go. Look at that.
I've never seen one of those before.
Custom made for FL. It fits on sportsters too. Now, this is our special Jim's cap wrench. It takes the cap off the top tube.
Nifty.
So it'll work.
Don't have to use a crescent wrench and destroy them.
Not this week. My guess is if we take a little weight off the front end, it won't work so hard. Things in the air. Got that off. Where's your breaker bar?
It's in here.
Why'd you put that away? We're going to need it again.
You need this one?
We're going to need it again to put it back together, don't we?
Yeah.
So if you put your tools out here in the front, we can find them again. Instead of hiding them in that bucket of crap over there. Got quick access, what we need. See how that works?
Mm-hmm.
Did somebody tighten those up with a zip gun? Okay,
That's tight.
somebody must have tightened it up too tight.
Not by hand.
Well, the zip gun, it was easy. Airline over there. I didn't use this zip gun, no, I used this big one. I don't know if this crop one to take off. It was only a 3/8 zip gun, it wasn't like it was tight or anything. You sure you're not playing?
Yeah.
Like that pull one would be easy?
Maybe.
Wow, here's it's on there pretty tight. You just take off that star thing there. Wait till we get one of those. One of my new bikes, they're full of star stuff.
I know. I want people to work on. This one?
Nope. This one. See if you it's easier. This doesn't work, I'll have to go get a real zip gun. That doesn't work. I don't know how they got so tight. Oh, yeah.
No.
Oh. This will get it if the other one doesn't. So it's twin brothers when we put it on with. See, different quality guns have different amounts of power. Okay, now this is going to be under pressure, so we got to
Slowly.
We have to push down as you want to turn.
Mm-hmm.
If it hits me in the face, it'll be your fault.
It'll probably hit me in the face.
Yeah, they tend to go this way. Should be a lot of pressure, a little bit.
Yeah, we got it off the ground.
So we're going to put some 15 weight fork oil in it.
There you
Not too bad, is it?
go.
Okay, you want to do 2 ounces this time?
Yeah, okay.
Because you know I can't read. Oh, that's 15 ounces. That's
2
2?
ounces.
That's 2?
Yeah.
Right on the money?
Mm-hmm.
All right. You need a funnel?
2 ounces.
You need a funnel?
Do we?
I asked if you need the funnel. Or should
I
you
don't
pour
think
it right
so.
in the hole?
I think I just pour it right
You can get right in the hole and not make a mess.
I think so.
Good thing we got some extra oil if we need it. Oh, look at that. It's going right in the hole. It's almost like you've done this before.
I have. Alright.
Is that dry or wet? Perfect. It's got oil in the fork now. All right.
Yep, full 2 ounces.
Full 2 ounces. And actually it's 10 ounces now. 10.2, wasn't it? 10.2 or 4?
Yeah, 10 point. It was between 10.1 and 10.7.
Make sure you don't cross thread that, so push down and go easy.
It's going in.
Yep. Push and rotate, same time.
Okay.
You mean lightly torque it like last time?
Yep.
Okay, was that enough?
I don't know. Probably not enough.
Why does it unscrew?
We can see, but I bet it would.
It won't now. You didn't move anymore.
Okay.
Okay, put your plate back on.
It's back there.
See, that's the difference between Harbor Freight tools and expensive crap. Ingersoll Rand, high output. These are 200 foot-pounds now. The old one was 175. This puts out about 30 if we're lucky. Big difference in output. And price. See how nice that chrome cover makes it look? You're not into chrome?
No.
Probably should torque that bolt down there again too.
Yeah,
What'd you do with my breaker bar?
it's right over here.
Ah, stealing it from me. Oh, I saw that. I think I used one of these, the big one. No, it wasn't that one. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's on a ratchet. I didn't want to overdo it. Okay, push down on that a little bit.
What?
The
This?
ratchet, yeah. Okay. If you over torque, you know what happens? These break right across here.
Ah.
Yeah, very important not over torque it. But you also have to have it tight so it doesn't slip. You put that right back in the same spot. Did you
I
notice that?
saw that.
Thought you was testing me.
This one's not cross-threaded, but it don't want to really go in.
You know,
I've taken it out 3 times and
probably got some residue crap in it.
good old Harley bolts.
Let's see, we got scummy crap on the threads, or it's got old Loctite on it. I'm gonna go with scummy crap on the threads.
Alright,
Good to go?
I think so.
All right, look at that. Good as new. Now we got fork oil in it.
Yep. Now I gotta put a brake on there.
Oh, you want brakes now? Oh, you want everything on the bike.
Well, we got a rear.
Well, maybe. We haven't cleaned that up yet either. I think I cleaned it and put new fluid in it. We have to look and see
It
what
has pressure on the pedal.
yeah, but we have to look to see what the master seal on the reservoir shows. What'd you take that off for?
So we can put this on.
We're not done yet, are we? Oh, you want to put the brake on it now? Yeah, you have to pull the wheel apart.
Well, we have to move down the.
You have to pull the front wheel off. There you go. You can pull the front wheel off if you want. We got to rebuild the caliper, or at least take it apart and check it and make sure it doesn't need to be rebuilt. We need to take apart this piece over here to make sure it doesn't need to be rebuilt either. This bike's got 8,300 miles on it, I think. Probably should check the charge on the battery while we're sitting here.
Oh, this wasn't today.
You know why?
Because you weren't done with it.
Because I'm pretty sure I had to pull the front wheel back off.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to throw a charger on this to make sure it's charging. Go ahead and lose the fender cover. It's going to be in the way anyway. Hey, it's up.
Yep. Oh, and a spacer.
Don't lose our spacer.
Set this down.
Just leave it on the floor there. Just leave it on the floor. You don't have to put it all back together. Just leave it on the floor. If you leave it where you took it off, it'll be there when you come back.
Yep.
Unless you kick it.
That's why I wanted to put it all back together.
You gonna kick it?
I might.
Ooh. Alright, we back.